Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We have a 2017 Polaris RZR XP 1000 with electric power steering. It's got the front brush guard and some aftermarket lights on it. The glass windshield with wiper. Heavy ply tires. The lower door inserts. The aluminum sport roof. Has the rear brush guard as well along with the front brush guard. Has a street legal kit with blinkers, aftermarket exhaust. This machine does come with the ride command display and has right at let's find out. 343 hours, 6,640 miles. Has the car stereo radio and has an aftermarket wire harness causing the check engine light to come on, but the machine does start, run, drive. We're going to take another video of this getting drove around.